Hi everybody, Angie Hunt here. I'm in studio at LDRS Creative. I am here to give you a sneak peek of what is coming up on HSN next Tuesday already, November 5th, 10 a.m. Look for Holly Fawson. You're going to see some absolutely adorable kits from us. You don't want to miss it. I'll have the information down below in the description so that you can get all the details there. But let me show you what we've got for you because you're going to love these. I love these. As you can see, it is sweater weather here in Michigan. It is full on fall. The colors are changing. It is so much fun. This is really a time that's all about family and friends and sharing and just enjoying each other and letting everybody know how much you care for them. Excuse me. So this set right here, this is a 6x8 stamp set. You're going to get the dies with it as well. And this particular kit is actually called Sharing is Caring. So you get the friend set of stamps, the friend set of dies. Let me show you this stamp set. This is so beautiful. I love this. We've got little boys. Yes, boys. We get a lot of requests for boys. So we've put little boys and little girls in this. Look how cute. These are photopolymer stamps. These are made in the United States. It's the only place you can get photopolymer stamps. Is here in the United States. These stamp so beautifully, really crisp, just like a rubber stamp, but you have the added bonus of being able to see through them so that you can stamp and layer and mask and do all kinds of things and create amazing scenes with these. Look how fun. We've got the little puppies. Look at that pie, making me hungry. Sharing is caring. We've got sentiments in here too. Look at this beautiful fence and the arbor. We've got wreaths in here. Now this set is designed so that you can use this all year long. You can do this if you just want to send a card in the springtime. Use beautiful spring colors. If you want to use this for Christmas, use Christmas colors, and so on and so on. It's so beautiful. Look at those sentiments. You can create your own sentiments too here. So we have thanks for sharing as one stamp set, or as one stamp. Your kindness, or you might want to choose your talents or your time. And then you can add with us. And look at those little puppy prints. There they are. They're so cute. And the set of dies is going to cut out all of those characters and all of those accessories. So it's super, super easy for you. These stamps are simple lines. Excuse me, so they are a quick color. Look how fun that is. Let's share lunch. What a beautiful invitation to send to your friend. And look at that, a very quick color of that little boy. You can see the dimension. We've popped him up on foam. We've cut him out with the die. Super fun, super easy. Look at this next one. This is the little puppy. Let's share lunch. He is already sitting down to eat and he's ready for his friends to join him. How cute. I love this. Look at that. Thanks for sharing your kindness. So pretty. Thanks for sharing your time. See, you can customize them. They're so fun. Look at that little boy. I just love these. I think they're so sweet. Oh, and this one with the arbor and the fence. Look how we've popped that up. Do you see that dimension? We use those dies not only to cut out the arbor, but to cut through and create a beautiful layer of dimension with that card. And we have set the arbor and the little puppies back in that. Look how sweet that is. I'm doggone lucky to call you my friend. I just love these. They're so sweet. And look at here. Sharing is caring. That could be your kids. That could be you and your husband. How sweet is that? Or your boyfriend. I just love these. I think this is by far one of my favorite stamp sets. I love that it's completely universal. You can use it all throughout the year. Just change up the colors however you want. Our next set, this one's from Polka Doodles, and this is Little Betty. For those of you who love Winnie and you didn't see our last set of Little Betty is Winnie's little sister. I think, when I look at her, I think she's about maybe 3 or 4 years old. And she is just the sweetest little thing. Look at her. So we have this birthday set, and in this one you're getting Little Betty. You've got the little cake on the table. She looks like she's about to blow out that candle. You've got a cupcake over here and a present and a little invitation and the sweetest, sweetest sentiments that go along with it. How pretty is that? And over here, this is unicorns and rainbows. This is all about the magic of fairy tale land. It is just so sweet. Look at that. She's just pretty as can be. And look at that little unicorn. Oh my goodness. You have beautiful sentiments. This one says, our friendship is magical. Now, a little added bonus. These are 4x6 stamp sets. And if you look at the back, you're going to notice that both of these little Betties are sized the same. And our sentiments, the font is all sized the same. So when you get this kit with these 2 stamp sets, you not only can make cards with one or the other, but you can mix and match them together. And it gives you a whole new layer of, of possibilities. You can also, if you already have the other 2 little Betties that we had on HSN a few months back, I think there's still some available, actually, if you wanted. You can mix and match with these as well across with those 2 because those were sized the same. Jumbling my words, my head knows what I want to say, but it's not coming out right. Anyway, the point is we size them all the same so that you have a whole world of possibilities of how you can mix and match these and customize and create the most fun cards. Let me show you some samples of this little Betty. Look at that glitter in the background. Our friendship is magical. She's got her little unicorn. How sweet. I just love these. You can color these up however you want. Customize them too. If your daughter, maybe she's a little princess or maybe she's the queen, who knows? And she's got blonde hair. Look at that one. How sweet. The first one, we gave her kind of an auburn color. So pretty. This background here, really simple backgrounds. When you have beautiful stamps like these, you don't have to do a whole lot with the backgrounds. So this background is done with our hybrid inks. Just blending, very simple, beautiful blending. Here we go. Look how sweet. You're a special kind of magic. What a treat. She cannot wait to get to that cake. Look how sweet these are. They're just precious and they're so fun and easy to make. We've made it easy by giving you such beautiful images to work with. Now, we're going to have a giveaway. It's actually going to be 2 giveaways because we have 2 different kits. We have the Sharing is Caring stamps and dies, and then we have Little Betty. And because it's the fall season, we have Thanksgiving here in the United States. You may not have Thanksgiving or another holiday at this time, but fall is still the season of sharing and letting everybody know how much you care about them. So here's what I want you to do. Down below the description, I want you to leave a comment and I want you to tell me if you have a special tradition or special thing that you do this time of year to let your friends or family know how much you care about them. And leave that comment for me, and I'm going to randomly select one winner from those comments for the Friends Stamps and Dies. Oops, let me grab this one over here. For the Friends Sharing is Caring Stamps and Dies, and one winner for Little Betty. And when, let me think, today is Thursday, so let's say on Monday, November 4th, that's when I'm going to announce the winners. You can leave your comments below. You can also, we'll have a link to this as well, you can also go to our Facebook group and you can leave a comment there. We will have the video there. You'll leave the comment on the video or underneath the video there as well. So again, tell me which tradition is your favorite thing to do in the fall to let your friends and family know how much you care about them. And you could be the winner of one of these kits. So before I go, make sure that you mark your calendar, November 5th, 10 a.m. Eastern Time. You're going to look for Holly Fossen, and we can't wait to see you there. Thanks so much, everybody.